Okay, in which language do you wish to make your testimony?
English language,
Do you wish to swear by the Holy Quran or make an affirmation?
the Holy Quran.
Okay, Madam Chair, the witness wishes to swear by the Holy Quran. And you use your right hand. You hold the Holy Quran. And please repeat after me. I,
I,
Omar Sedikan,
Omar Sedikan,
do swear that
do swear that
I'll speak the truth,
I will speak the truth,
the whole truth,
the whole truth,
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Thank you. You may be kindly seated. Madam Chair, the witness is sworn. I have the honor to hand over the witness to you for us to proceed. Thank you. You may sit.
Good afternoon, Mr. Sedikan.
Afternoon.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
Counsel, can we proceed? Yes.
Thank you, Madam Chairperson. Mr. Sadiq, can you please tell the Commission what your name is?
Yeah, my name is Omar Sedikan,
What is your address?
Sinjusuri,
Your occupation, sir?
accounts clerk.
For Brikama Area Council?
Yes,
When were you appointed?
2012.
Was your first employment with Brikama Area Council, sir?
No.
Now, please give us your brief employment history.
Yeah, I work with Gulp Energy.
With
Gulp.
Gulf Energy.
Yeah, I work with them.
When was that?
2007 to 2009.
2007 to 2009.
Yes.
And then?
Yeah, from there, I attended BIPS.
No, we will come to your
Yeah.
educational background. This is
Yeah.
your employment
Yeah.
history.
Okay.
Don't confuse the two.
Yeah. From 2009 to 2012, I was not working.
2009 to?
From 2009
Yes.
to 2012, I was not working.
Why was that?
I was going to school.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, is that why you left Gulf Energy?
Yes.
Did you resign?
Yes.
Do you have your resignation letter?
No.
If you resign, you must have a letter. Or did you resign verbally?
Yeah.
How comes? How is that possible? How is that possible?
I just feel like I cannot continue with the job.
But you and I know that's not how it works.
Yeah.
Were you employed verbally by Gulf Energy?
Yeah, I was given an appointment letter.
You what?
I was given an appointment letter there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you have that appointment letter with Gulf Energy?
No, as of now.
Yes, if you don't have it now, but can you produce it?
Okay, I will check. I will check it at home.
No, we will ask you to produce the Gulf Energy employment letter.
Okay.
You write it down, please.
Okay.
Write that down.
Okay.
Write that down.
Do you have a pen? Okay.
Yes, and your resignation letter as well.
Okay.
We want to know why you resigned
Okay.
from Gulf Energy. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Now, when were you employed at Brikama Area Council?
2012.
Do you have your appointment letter?
Yes.
Can we please see it? You were employed as an accounts clerk.
Yes.
Are you still an accounts clerk?
Yes.
Or have you been promoted?
Yeah, I'm overseeing the senior position, senior accounts clerk.
So you double as the senior accounts clerk?
Yes.
Since?
Actually, I can't remember the exact. Yeah. But I think since 2018, I think.
Were you given a letter
Yes.
which indicates that you are overseeing the office?
Yes, yes.
Where is that letter?
It's not here. It's
Again,
not with me.
have it down. You will be requested to produce that letter. But you have told us since 2018.
Yeah, I think it's 2018.
2018.
Yeah.
Now, were you confirmed as from the time you were appointed on the 27th August 2012 as an accounts clerk, were you confirmed?
Yes.
Do you have the confirmation letter?
It's not with me here. Yeah.
Please let it be among the documents that you will have to produce.
Okay, okay.
Now, we apply to tender an offer of appointment as accounts clerk of the witness Mr. Omar Sedikan with reference number BAC, that's Brikama Area Council, /019/A, it's capital A, with the date 27th of August 2012, addressed to the witness Mr. Omar Sedikan. It was signed for the Chief Executive Officer by Mr. Modu Jonga, Senior Admin Officer, and the chairman is copied. The establishment committee is copied, the finance director, all into evidence as an exhibit.
A letter dated the 27th of August 2012 with reference BAC/019/A addressed to Mr. Omar Sedikan with the caption offer of appointment as accounts clerk. The letter is signed for the Chief Executive Officer by Mr. Modu Jonga, Senior Admin Officer, and is copied to Chairman Brikama Area Council, Chairperson Establishment Committee, Director of Finance. The letter is admitted in evidence as an exhibit and marked as LGC/OS/BKAC/001.
As the commission places. Now, since your appointment, who was the senior accounts clerk in 2012?
I think it's Lamin Suso and Yaba, I think.
Lamin Suso
Either Lamin Suso or Yaba.
or Yayapa?
Yeah.
And in 2018, you assumed the role of an senior accounts clerk
Yeah.
in 2018.
Yeah.
And how many accounts clerk do you have that work with you?
As at now,
Since 2018.
we are 3 in number there.
Please speak to the microphone.
We
Draw
are
yourself closer to the microphone. You are 3 in number
yeah.
since 2018.
No, before 2018, Aisha was there, but I don't know exactly the year she was appointed.
Now if you just say
Yeah.
Aisha was there,
Yeah.
you wouldn't know which Aisha you
Aisha
are
is there,
referring
but
to.
I don't know exactly the year
I'm
she
just
was
saying, if you
appointed.
just mention a name like that, we wouldn't know
Yeah.
what you're saying. You mean you have had an accounts clerk called Aisha?
Yeah.
Aisha what?
Sisi.
Sisi.
Yeah.
But she's no longer with the area council?
No, she's there.
She's there?
Yeah.
But you can't recall since when?
Yeah, since when? Fadjaj also is there.
Okay. Currently,
Yeah.
who are the individuals that work for the unit?
The unit.
Yes. How many accounts clerk do you have currently?
Fadjaj is there, Aisha, I myself, Kajatu is there, but I don't know Whether she is an accounts clerk but she is in the finance department.
Mr. Sedika,
Yeah.
you are the senior accounts clerk.
Yeah.
You must know the people you work with.
Yeah, I know.
You should tell the commission
Yeah, she
that
is in
we
the
have
finance.
3 accounts clerk or 4 or 5,
Yeah.
and these are their names.
Yeah.
If you do not know who you work with
Can-
in your own unit, then it's really concerning. It's not funny. It's a very serious issue.
Yeah, Kajaru is there.
You're talking as if you are in
Aisha.
the... you're
Yeah,
talking
I'm
as
not
if-
sure about Kajaru, but he's in the finance
I don't even
department.
know
but
Kajato. How many accounts clerk do you have?
as of now,
Yes.
okay. We are 5 in number now.
Good. Now, what are the names of the other
I-
other 4?
Aisha Sise,
Yes.
Fadjaju,
Aisha Sise.
Fadjaju,
Yes.
Khadijatu Jao,
Yes.
and Halimatu Jatta.
That's it.
But Halimatu, he is not yet employed.
She's not yet
He is not yet employed. He is on training.
on training.
Yeah, yeah.
Then she should not be counted.
Okay, okay.
Is that not the case?
Yeah, okay.
Now, you gave 3 statements. One statement dated the 21st of March 2024, and 2 additional statements, correct?
Yes.
We will show you these statements. The one dated the 21st of March 2024 has attachments to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, now you've made reference to those attachments in your statement.
Okay.
So we want to just identify those attachments as well and tell us what they are so that we can have them tendered. Is that your statement, sir?
Yes.
You signed that statement, sir?
Yes, I do.
Have you read the statement currently to know?
Yes.
Now, how about the attachments? These are your withdrawals?
Yes.
These are copies of your withdrawals
Yes.
from the accounts of the area council
Yes.
in your capacity as accounts clerk or sorry, let me say senior accounts clerk.
Yes, yes.
And we also have a voucher with voucher number 21001630. Correct? Correct, sir?
Yeah, I want.
You made reference to that in your statement.
Yes, yes,
You agree?
yes.
We also have the payroll, Brikama Area Council payroll. For the month of March 2021. Is that correct? Is that accurate, sir?
Let me check. Yes.
After that, I've seen a payment voucher number 21001495. 1495. Correct?
Let me check.
Correct, sir?
Yes, yes.
These are all vouchers you have been confronted with, and you are making or giving explanations as to these vouchers. Is that the case?
Yeah.
So for all the attachments in your statement, they seek to provide explanation with respect to your withdrawals.
Yeah.
Is that the case?
Yes.
Please speak into the microphone.
Yes, yes.
Now, your other statement is dated the 23rd of April 2024. Do you see that?
Yes.
I see it also has attachments of your withdrawals.
Yeah.
Is that correct, sir?
Yes, yes.
The total of your withdrawals that are on that attached to that statement is 29,952,142 dollars is 37 bututs. Do you see that?
Yes.
The last statement is dated to the 4th of April 2024.
Yeah.
Is that your statement as well?
Yes.
We apply to tender the statement of the witness Omar Sedikan. The date is 21st of March 2024 with all the attachments therein, which the witness seeks to clarify. It has evidence of withdrawals from the accounts of the area council. It has a payroll and vouchers to show or provide proof of as to why these withdrawals were being made. The second is dated to the 3rd of April 2024, and attached as well is withdrawals made by the witness Omar Sedikan, the senior accounts clerk for Brikama Area Council. The total amount of the withdrawal is $29,952,142.37 bututs. The third is dated the 24th of April 2024 into evidence as an exhibit.
The following documents are admitted as follows. The witness statement of Mr. Omar Sedikan dated the 21st of March 2024 with several attachments of vouchers and withdrawal, evidence of withdrawals from the Brikama Area Council. The second statement is dated 23rd of April 2024 with also attachments of vouchers and withdrawals from council's account. And the third statement is dated the 24th of April 2024. All these documents, together with their attachments, are admitted in a bundle as exhibit in evidence and marked as LGC/OS/BKAC/002.
Ask the commission, please. Now, tell the commission what your educational background is.
Yeah. I attended Serakunda Primary School from 1993 to 1999. From there, I proceeded to Crab Island Upper Basic School from 1999 to 2002.
Right.
From 2002, I attended Muslim High School. From 2002 to 2005, I attended Muslim High School. I also did my diploma in banking and finance at Bajul Institute of Professional Studies. And now
when was that?
That was in 2010 to 2009 to 2011.
Okay.
Yeah. From there.
The diploma, it took 3 years.
Diploma in banking and finance.
It's a 3-year program. It's a 3-year.
I just stopped at the diploma level.
No, so.
Yeah, I stopped at the diploma level.
saying
I didn't do the advanced diploma.
The diploma is a 3-year program?
No.
How long is the diploma?
The certificate and the diploma, they are about 1 year, 2 months.
Each?
Yes, because, no. Because it's 6 months.
1 year, 2 months?
Yeah. Because I didn't do the advanced diploma.
All right.
Yeah. I'm now pursuing my ACCA at Grace Institute of Professional Studies in Talinding.
Since when?
I started last year.
So you're.
Yeah, but now I'm doing my diploma. Yeah, I already do the certificate.
You already?
I'm already done with the certificate. Now I'm at the diploma level.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then you had your employment with Brikama in 2012?
Yeah, that is 2012.
As an accounts clerk?
Yes.
And you got promoted?
Yeah.
Were you promoted or you're just overseeing?
I'm overseeing.
You're overseeing?
Yeah.
But you have a letter saying that you're overseeing the office?
Yeah, I'm overseeing the position.
And between 2018 to 2023, you have been overseeing the office?
Yeah.
Now, as an accounts clerk, or let me say senior accounts clerk, what are your core functions? What is your primary function in relation to the position of the accounts clerk?
Raising and payments of payment vouchers.
Please, Mr. Serikan, we cannot have you like the other witnesses we have. For you, you hold a very important position.
Yes.
It means you must have a degree, a certain degree of education.
Yeah.
And so you will understand what we are saying clearly.
Yeah.
And so you can respond, you can raise your voice.
Okay.
Is that not the case?
Yes.
Yes, so let's try and do that. Now give us the role that you occupy, the functions that it entails.
The functions, okay. I raise payment vouchers.
You raise payment vouchers?
Yes. And sometimes I do effect payments too.
You raise payment vouchers and you effect payment?
Yeah, sometimes, yeah.
How do you raise payment vouchers?
How
do you raise payment vouchers?
I raise payment voucher when the request is given to me.
By
my boss.
Your boss must have a name or a portfolio?
Yeah.
Who is your boss?
Either the director of finance or my seniors there.
Who is your senior? Who are your seniors there?
Yeah, Lamin Suso was there before. Yaba also is there.
So you're saying that who do you think has the authority to authorize you to raise a payment voucher?
It's the director of finance.
Of finance?
Yeah.
But you're saying sometimes you're authorized by the finance manager as well? Lyman Suso?
They are my boss.
See, this concept or notion that they are my boss, they are my boss, they are my boss, you people, I don't know, you may need orientation. But it works in your interest as well.
No.
It does, because you flout all the rules. So it works in your interest. You call them bosses, they call you subjects, and that's how it works. Their being your boss do not mean you cannot follow the law. The law is the law.
Yeah.
You understand?
Okay.
Is that not the case? Now, you follow instructions from the finance manager and Yayaba. What is Yayaba's position?
He's a finance manager as of now.
Finance manager number 1 or 2?
Actually, I don't know whether it's 2 or
You don't even know your bosses and the ranks they hold,
yeah.
but they are your boss. But you don't even know their employment status. How is that possible?
The only thing I know that he is the finance manager.
No one knows anything in Brikama.
Yeah.
No one knows anything in Brikama. But you prepare payment voucher.
Yeah.
How do you prepare payment voucher?
When the request is given to me.
What?
The request.
Yes. How is the request given to you? Is it a verbal request or an oral request?
No. They will give me a request. There's a request.
How do you receive this request?
People normally write requests.
Okay.
Yeah. When they need something.
So the request has to be written?
Yeah. When the request is written, it will go to the CEO.
Yes.
Yeah. The CEO will approve it.
Okay.
And it will come back to the director of finance.
And then?
Then from there, it comes to us. with the accounts clerk so that we can raise it.
And so when you prepare the payment voucher, what is next?
The accounts clerk will sign. From there, it goes to audit. From audit to the CEO, from the CEO to the Director of Finance.
This is supposed to be the normal process.
Yes.
But it's not the normal process. It's not being done.
Yeah, sometimes.
Most times, Mr. Ba,
Yeah.
it's a serious matter. Most times it's not done. Is that not the case? Is that not the case?
Sometimes.
Now, when you flout the rules, what do you do? How do you approve the vouchers without following that process?
Yeah, sometimes you will see that sometimes it's not our fault.
What is not your fault?
The procedure you are talking about.
Okay, why?
Yeah.
Why is it not your fault sometimes?
For example, if the CEO or the Director of Finance, for example, if the CEO is not around,
Yes.
we raise the payment voucher. The payment voucher is already raised.
Yes.
The CEO is not in.
Yes.
Yeah, we effect payments.
Without the CEO's authority.
Sometimes it happens.
Sometimes you just get the authority from the Director of Finance.
Yeah.
And you disregard all these processes, all these rules.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yes.
But you know it's wrong.
Yeah, it's wrong.
So again, what is your other function apart from raising vouchers?
I do withdrawals and deposits.
You withdraw and you deposit.
Yeah, I do also deposit.
What is the process of withdrawals? What is the process of withdrawals from the area council's accounts?
The check will be written on my name.
Yes.
And it will go to the CEO. CEO will sign. From the CEO, the Director of Finance will sign, and I will be given the check.
Just that?
Yeah.
A check is just written in your name?
Yeah.
Without any supporting documents?
No.
And you just go to the bank and withdraw the money?
Yeah.
And then you do what with the money?
Yeah, it depends on the instruction given to me.
What would be the normal instructions you will receive?
I say it depends.
Yes, tell me what it depends on.
Okay.
Something must depend on something. If you say it depends on what?
Yeah. If at all I'm given the check
Yes.
to withdraw from this bank
Yes.
and take it to another bank,
Yes.
that's what I do.
Okay.
If at all I'm told to withdraw and bring it in and bring it at the office,
Yes.
yeah, I do that too.
You bring it to the office for what?
Yeah, for payments.
Payments, you will effect payment or you will hand the money to someone else?
Yeah, I have to hand over it first so that the Director of Finance will verify, will confirm the money.
And then?
The exact money. Then he will do the allocations.
Allocations?
Yeah.
But then you will give him the physical cash?
Yeah.
And then you go?
Yeah, he will do the allocations.
Yes.
Then for me, I will go to my office.
And other times? And other withdrawals?
Yeah, they are for payments too.
Or
payments of vouchers.
we see sometimes you pay monies to the Director of Finance account.
Yes.
So give us that example as well.
No.
No what?
He
No
just
what?
he sent me to deposit to his account.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I do that.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Why would you do that?
I'm just saying to do that.
But why would you do that? Is that your function?
No.
Is that your role?
No.
Why would you do that?
I don't see it as a serious matter.
Why? Why? Now we'll come back to that. Now, if you look at the financial manual, Mr. Sedikan,
yes,
the section 206, you'll find it on page 13. It says the senior accounts clerk is responsible for carrying out, with minimal supervision, accounting and associated duties as stipulated below. You know what it means by minimal supervision? You hold a very important office in the area council.
Yeah.
Do you understand that?
Yes.
Do you know that your office is very important?
It's important.
That you don't really have to be supervised. Your role is clearly spelled out in these documents, in these legal documents, what your functions are. Everyone is supervised, but for you or others, you belong to the upper class of the people who are really taxed with responsibility of finance. Do you know that?
Yes.
So the idea that you have a boss, you also have a primary boss, that is the law, whatever it says that you must do.
Yeah.
It says that A, confirmation of vouchers and prepared and checked and passed by the accounts clerks. So you supervise the accounts clerks. Do you do that?
I have never done that.
Verification of the posting made in the subsidiary books, record and document by the accounts clerk. Do you do that?
No.
Updating the establishment register and personal advance and deposit records. Do you do this, sir?
No.
Preparation of salary vouchers for established staff. Do you do this?
Yes.
You prepare vouchers for salaries.
Yeah.
We'll come to that. Preparation of purchase orders. Do you do this, sir?
No.
No? Is your answer no?
Yes.
Posting of entries in the expenditure control statement. Do
Yes.
you do that?
The expenditure.
Posting of entries in the expenditure control statement. You have an expenditure control statement that you must post entries to. You must update. You do that?
No.
Scrutiny of bills, checks, etc. before final payment.
No.
Because you have a boss, and whatever your boss says stands. Correct? Correct?
Yes.
Don't laugh. It's not a funny matter. What we are about to discuss with you, with the millions you have withdrawn unlawfully, we think, unless you can justify it, is so serious. And you should start thinking how serious it is now, Mr. Sedikan. Do you understand? And if you cannot provide explanation for certain things, you will be liable. So you should do your best to give us a clear explanation of what the events were at the time. Do you understand that? I will give you that advice for free.
Yeah. Yes, yes.
Now, checking and passing all payment vouchers. Do you do this?
Yes.
Preparation of checks for signatures. You do this, sir?
Yeah. Yes.
Preparation and payment of monthly payment of salaries, wages, and allowances to employees with bank accounts. You do this?
Yes.
It's important. If you say you do this, it's because most of the withdrawals, you will tell us that is for salaries, but you will have to provide the vouchers for it. That's why I'm asking you these questions. Do you understand?
Yes.
Process payment to council members, social security, income tax department, and other firms and organizations. You do this, sir?
Yeah, sometimes I do.
Sometimes you do it. Sometimes who will do it?
My other colleagues.
Your other colleagues. This is your responsibility, not your other colleagues. The other colleagues do not occupy the post of a senior accounts clerk. You are the one who occupies this
Okay, thank you.
position.
Yeah.
Now, posting of the cash book daily. Do you have a cash book?
Yeah, there's a cash book, but I have never done that before.
You have never?
I have never posted the cash book before.
Where is the cash book?
The cash book is not with me.
Where is the cash book? If you know there's a cash book, you can tell the commission who has the cash book.
The cash book I know is the receiving cashier.
Yes.
Who normally has the cash book.
That's the one you know.
Yeah, that's the one I know.
And that will be Mr. Kante.
Yes, that's
Have
the
you
one
seen the cash book before? Have you seen the cash book before?
Before? Yes.
With Mr. Kante?
Yes.
When was the last time you saw this cash book?
I cannot tell.
Why can't you not tell?
We are not in the same office.
When was you said you have seen it?
Yes, I have seen it.
When last have you seen it?
I cannot remember that.
Why? You have seen it this year?
No.
Last year?
No.
Year before last?
I cannot tell, honestly.
But you were supposed to make postings in this cash book. That's the interesting part. You are supposed to make postings in the cash book. That's what the law says.
Yeah, okay.
You are here telling the commission, I cannot tell, I don't know. All you're interested is money, how it comes and how it goes, but you don't have an interest in the accounts, how you keep the books of accounts. Mr. Sedikan? Your responsibility as well is postings of all subsidiary books and records required to be maintained. You don't do this?
No.
Filling of all payment and receipt vouchers. Do you do this?
I have never received any voucher.
We need you to speak louder, please.
I have never received any voucher.
So these are your responsibilities, Mr. Sedikan.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. It should not be a surprise to you.
Yeah.
You should have known this since 2018.
Okay.
Do you understand that?
Yes.
Now we will go into the issue. The issue now is you have made so many withdrawals, Mr. Sedika.
Yes.
Millions of dollars
Yes.
you have withdrawn,
Yes.
which we want you to account for.
Yeah.
But before we go there, how do you pay salaries at the Brikama Area Council?
We pay salaries.
How?
We withdrew from other banks and take it to another bank.
Who prepares the salary vouchers?
Mostly, it is prepared by the payroll clerk.
By the payroll clerk.
Yeah, that is Aisha. He's doing it. He's the accounts clerk, but he's
And then?
doing, yeah, he's doing
And
it.
then?
From there,
Yes?
when she prepare it,
Yes?
we raise a voucher and attach it to that
Yes?
payroll. Then the accounts clerk will sign,
Yes?
take it to this place, the audit. Audit
Yes.
will verify and sign.
Yes?
From there to the CEO,
Yes?
from there to the Director of Finance.
Is this done all the time?
I cannot say all the time.
Why? Why would you pay salaries without following this process?
Yeah, as I said, sometimes when the CEO is not in,
Why will you pay salaries without following this process? Let me ask you that. Why will salaries be paid without following this process? Now, in your statement, the third paragraph, we start with that. You have said on the issue of the payment voucher, Brikama Area Council PV 21001634, this voucher is about allowance payment for court members for the month of June 2021. This voucher has some irregularities such as lack of CEO's approval, one person signed for others on the voucher, and some other names has not been signed. It is possible that I raised this voucher, but I don't think I made the payment. It does happen in council that one may raise a voucher and another person would effect the payment, well, we pay the beneficiaries. Concerning this payment voucher, it is observed that the transaction is not correct because most of the essential rules are violated. Now, the voucher in question is exhibited attached to your statement, correct? Correct, sir?
yes.
Yes, so do you have your statement with you?
Yeah, I have it.
Yes, so please tell us what is irregular about this voucher.
Yeah. The CEO signature. As you said,
Yes,
yeah. As I tell you,
yes,
sometimes the CEO, if the CEO is not around,
yes,
we effect the payment.
yes,
Yeah. And one person sign in for others.
yes,
I come to the council and found that
yes,
they are the bad messenger.
yes,
One bad messenger will come and sign on behalf of all his fellow, the chief and his fellow bad messengers.
yes.
Yeah.
Now, this payroll, that is 21001630, is that what we are referring to? You will see it.
There is no attachment here.
The one you have doesn't have an attachment?
No, it doesn't have any attachment.
Okay. The voucher is 21001630. It must be in the statement we have tendered.
Yeah.
Where is this boy? Oh, I've said what I want. I want you guys to bring out the statement. The statement.
Council, which statement are you referring to?
The
Bank?
the statement of the witness that has been exhibited, Omar Sedikan, with the necessary attachments.
His witness statement?
Yes.
I think he has his witness statement.
Yes,
Does
but
he
the one
have?
he has does not have the attachment. The one that is exhibited has the attachments. Please use this one. Please use this one. Please.
Okay.
Yes, Mr. Sedikan, will you see, do you see the attachment? The voucher PV21001630 that you have referred in your statement?
21001630.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
How much is the amount? 30,000
and
$21.92.
21.92.
Is that correct, sir?
92 brutes.
Yes. And it was prepared by accounts clerk.
Yes.
Whose signature is that?
It's my signature.
Yes. And it was supposedly checked by the internal auditor. Correct?
Yes.
Well, he signed.
Yes.
That's Mr. Barry?
Yes.
The officer in charge of vote, who's that?
CEO.
That should be CEO. He signed.
Yes.
The director of finance signed.
Yes.
Now, who received this cash?
Oh, actually, I don't know.
Because the space is empty.
Yeah, it's empty.
Now, the paying out cash here, who is that? It's empty.
Yeah, it's empty.
Now, you turn to the list of the payee. We have Momodu Bojang, our Saho, Bala Musa Dabo, Ismaila Baji. These are the ones that are supposed to be paid, the individuals?
Yes.
But none of them signed.
Yeah.
Why is that?
This payment voucher, when I went to the investigation room here,
Yes.
it is duplicated.
It is duplicated.
Yeah.
What
Because
does that mean?
this one is raised on the 25th of March,
Okay.
2021.
Right?
There was another one that is prepared by Aisha Sise.
Wow.
That is prepared on the 24th.
Wow.
On the 24th
Wow.
of March, 2021.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
That one, the payment is effected.
Wow.
This one, I prepare it. You can see my signature here.
I really don't understand what you're saying.
I said Aisha prepared it first.
Yes.
That was on the 24th.
Yes.
Because when I went to the investigation room,
Yes.
that's where I noticed that it is duplicated.
Yes.
Yeah.
So now you are
But this one, payment is not affected.
why? How would we know?
Huh?
How would we know?
Because they didn't sign. The beneficiary never signed.
No, for the voucher is raised.
Yes, I know.
If the voucher is raised, it suggests payment is done.
But
Now,
if
to
it is
whom
not-
payment was done to, we don't know.
Yeah.
That is what you are supposed to say. But as far as we are concerned, payment is done. Money is being released from whichever source you have, whether it is the X bank account or Y. Payment is done. That is what we will conclude.
Okay.
Not okay. You can disagree. We can talk about it. Raising the voucher means what?
This one, payment, because
What does it mean
it's a lack of communication between me and Aisha. Miscommunication.
But that's your concern.
Yeah.
That is entirely your concern. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
But all we see is even the recipients, they did not sign.
Yeah. That's why I tell you, payment is not affected.
But we cannot know that. Is there a way we can know that?
Huh?
Is there a way that we can know that the payment has not been affected?
Yes.
How?
Because the beneficiaries never signed.
We have that instance. The beneficiary didn't sign means
Yeah.
they didn't receive the money. They didn't mean
Yes.
the payment was
Yes.
done.
The payment is not done.
No, Mr. Sedikan.
Yes.
If the beneficiary did not sign, it indicates the beneficiary, there is no evidence of the beneficiary receiving money.
Yeah.
It does not indicate that the money has not left the vote. They didn't leave the account. It could have been withdrawn, but not paid.
Actually, I don't know.
Is that a possibility?
I don't know nothing about that.
You should know something about it.
Yeah.
You should know a lot about it because you
No.
prepared this voucher.
Preparing voucher doesn't mean I will effect the payment.
I don't know about that.
Yeah.
You are the accounts clerk.
But it doesn't mean if I raise this voucher, I will effect the payment.
We don't know about that.
Yeah.
So you provide us
But
with the evidence.
No, I'm telling you.
You see, Mr. Sadikan, we are not here to take your word.
I'm telling what I know.
We are not here to take everything you say to be the truth. We
Okay.
want you to provide us with evidence. You cannot raise a voucher. You signed the voucher. The CEO signed the voucher. The financial director signed the voucher, and you're now telling us payment was not done. That doesn't add up. Is that not the case?
As far as I'm concerned, the payment is not effective.
As far as I'm concerned, you cannot say that because every other person that needed to sign for the withdrawal of this money
Yes.
signed.
Yes, I know.
So you have all the right to withdraw this money. Is that not the case?
Preparing this voucher doesn't mean I withdraw the money. It doesn't mean.
We don't know that. But we don't know that.
I can go to the bank and withdraw. Someone can go and withdraw.
We don't know that.
Yeah. Now I'm telling you that.
But no, we don't know that. I had told you your functions,
Yeah.
what they are.
Yes.
The first, it says, you must confirm the confirmation of vouchers prepared and checked and passed by the accounts clerk. Verification of the posting made in the subsidiary books, records, and documented by the accounts clerk. You must post all of these things.
Yes.
If it is cancelled, it is reversed, it will indicate that it has been reversed.
Yes,
Is
yes.
that not the case? You update the establishment register. You prepare salary vouchers. Do you understand?
Yes.
You post posting of entries in the expenditure control system. But you don't keep all of these records. You had admitted it yourself. How would we know? No system. You know that there is no proper accounting system. Do you agree with that?
Yes.
So if you sit here and tell us that I can tell you that we did not make payment, how would we know that?
You are right.
What?
I said you are right.
Yeah, but it's not only being right, it's the fact that if you admit your mistakes, it means you are liable.
Yeah.
Do you understand that?
Okay, thank
Do
you.
you agree with that?
Yes.
Now, we move to...
Yeah, let me just ask.
Yes.
Now, Mr. Sedikan, you have said that this voucher that you are referring to, that is PV 21001630, was not paid. You said it was not paid.
Yeah.
This one was raised on the 25th
Yeah.
of March,
Yeah.
2021.
Yeah.
And the supposedly same transaction was done, a PVC 21001495 was raised, which was March 24,
Yeah.
2021.
Yes.
And this was prepared by accounts clerk
Yeah.
and dated. Who prepared this one?
That one on the 24th is Aisha.
Now, attached to this one dated the 24th, 2021,
Yeah.
with PV 21001495, the attached payroll for the people concerned, these are councillors,
Yeah.
Momodu Bojang, Awasaho, Balamusa Dabo,
Yeah.
Ismaila Baji.
Yeah.
From the copy of what you have attached, they all signed.
Yes.
Is that correct?
Yes.
Now, which one of these is not paid, and which one is paid, so that we can have
yeah.
clarity?
Yeah. The one with you there.
This one that I'm referring
Yeah.
to is the one that is paid?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so the one that you raised
Yeah.
is not paid,
Yes. It's not paid.
but the one that, what is the name of the accounts clerk?
Aisha.
Aisha.
Yeah. That is it.
The officer in charge of the vote did not sign.
Okay.
It was Director of Finance did not sign,
Okay.
and the received by did not sign. Paying out cashier did not did not sign.
Received by, they don't normally sign.
Paying out cashier.
Yeah, the paying out cashier should sign.
Received by, why is it provided for in the payment voucher?
No, it will be there, but the name of the beneficiaries will. The name of the beneficiaries,
Yes.
all the beneficiaries, they cannot sign received by. That's why that portion. If at all is an individual,
Yes.
one name, one person,
Yes.
then they can sign. The person can sign there, but they are 4 in number, so all of them cannot sign there.
But we have a challenge, because how would we know what reference is here on this payment voucher 1495 that you have attached the payroll to it?
Yeah.
How do we know? How do we know that this voucher that is raised is pursuant to the attachment that is attached there too on it? Because the payroll doesn't have a code, does it? To tie it to the payment voucher that you have raised, that Aisha has raised.
I don't think it has a code.
So is this not an opportunity to create a fraudulent situation when the situation or circumstance demands?
No,
Is
I
it not
don't.
a possibility? Is it not a possibility?
Yeah, it can be a possibility.
Is this generated from a system?
What?
These payment vouchers, are they generated from a system that is set up in your
Yeah.
accounting,
Yeah.
your accounting software?
Yes, yes.
So why would the system not produce for you, if it is 5 people you are paying, it produces received by, create the date column and the signature so that it could be in one voucher? Even if it is going to be a continuation,
Yeah.
to show that this particular voucher with reference number this is for this payment that has been effected.
I think that question will go to the Director of Finance and the CEO.
No, Mr. Sedikan, you are the accounts technician here. And for that matter, since 2018, you are senior accounts clerk. So
But
you ought to advise, because I have just asked you a question. I said, is this circumstance not prone to fraudulent activity? Which you said yes.
Yeah.
So why won't you advise for this system to be amended or modified
Yeah, you are
to
right.
capture what I have said,
Yeah.
to allow for, you understand, ease of your supervision and for making sure that you are on top of issues in terms of the entries and the vouchers and the payments that you are effecting, as
Yeah.
contained in the financial manual.
Yes, I should do that.
Yes, Mr.
Mr. What's the name again? Mr. Sedikan,
Yes.
may I just refer you to the 2 payment vouchers? The one is BAC PV 21001630,
Yes.
and the other one is PV 21001495.
Yes.
I think there's a reason for it being serialized, the numbers. The first one is 1495 and the second one is 1630. Why do you think they had that serialized?
Which serial number?
I said the PV numbers are serialized.
Yeah.
The one is 1495
Yeah.
and the second one is 1630.
Yeah.
Why do you think it was serialized?
Yeah, this PV number, this PV number I wrote here is from the IFMIS system.
Sorry, it's from the?
IFMIS system.
Do you know that it is different from the one that, is it Aisha you said raised?
Yes.
Now, if it is generated from the system, the IFMIS,
Yeah.
and you have the same people beneficiaries, you are saying you and Aisha did not communicate properly.
Yeah.
That's why you did a second one.
Yeah.
My worry is here. Wouldn't you check the previous PVs, the payment vouchers? Because the difference is from 1495 to 1630. There's a lot of payment vouchers that must have gone through the system. Because you have 1495 and 1630. How many vouchers must have gone through? You can do the arithmetic. It's very simple. Please do the arithmetic with your pen and tell me.
1695 to
1495
14.
to 1630. 1630. How many payment vouchers are between those two? It's an easy subtraction.
Yes. 135.
135.
Yeah.
Do you have a register where you log in these payment vouchers as you are preparing them and paying things out?
No.
You don't have?
A register?
Yes, of payment vouchers already issued.
No, no, no.
Now, how did you said IFMIS generates
No, this one, this BAC PV 21001630.
Yes.
And the other PV number.
Yes.
Those one are generated from the IFMIS system. It's not from the matrix. This is matrix.
No, just hold on. They are generated from the IFMIS system.
Yeah.
The IFMIS system, you have 100 and how many? 135.
Yeah.
Now, in your doing due diligence in raising PVs,
Yeah.
wouldn't you would have known that you are paying the same people again for the same task which have already been paid 2 days ago? Is there no way for you to know that?
No.
So you just come, hit the button, and IFMIS gives you a number. How do you search for duplicated payments?
Duplicated payments?
Yeah, in the IFMIS.
No, I have never searched by duplicated payments from the
But you
IFMIS.
cannot tell how would one know whether this payment is duplicated from the IFMIS.
No.
So you can just raise any voucher, given if IFMIS gives you the number, you raise it and you process it. Now the funny thing is, your PVC has more signatures than that of the one that Aisha raised.
This one.
Yes.
This payment voucher you see. This payment voucher you are seeing.
Yes.
It's not from the IFMIS.
But
It's from the
you
matrix.
said the
Yeah.
number.
It's from the matrix.
You said the number was generated by IFMIS.
Yeah, this number.
I agree. I'm not questioning the number. I am saying this voucher 1630
Yeah.
has more signatures than the one Aisha prepared.
Yeah.
Aisha has only 2.
2. Okay.
You have 4. And you were the second to prepare than the one that Aisha prepared.
Yeah.
And interestingly enough, your voucher did not have the recipients to sign.
Signature, yeah.
That of Aisha had all the recipients signing. There's something wrong. Do you file these things?
Yes.
But if you had filed it, then you would have noticed that it's being duplicated.
No, I
And
didn't
the
know.
reason why you do not have signatures is because these people will not sign for you because they've already signed for Aisha.
Yeah.
So they will not sign another payment when they know they are not going to
Yeah.
receive it.
Yeah, this
so
one,
they didn't.
as I said, this one payment is not affected.
No, please, don't cut me short. I am saying the reason why these people did not sign for you
Yeah.
is because they've already signed that for Aisha.
Yes.
Now, they will not sign for you, even though you had more signatures. You
Yeah.
had the
Yes.
director of finance and you had the vote,
Yes.
the vote charge keeper.
Yes.
But for Aisha's is that Aisha is the only person and the internal auditor. But here you had the internal auditor, you yourself, the officer in charge of the vote, and the director of finance.
Yeah.
Don't you question why you could not get these recipients to sign for you?
Raising this doesn't mean that I will do the payments.
Sorry?
I can raise this voucher.
Uh-huh.
I can raise this, and I will not affect the payments.
I do not say effective payment.
Yeah.
I am saying,
Yeah.
don't you think the reason why they did not sign for you is because they had already signed for somebody else 2 days ago?
But I didn't even go to the beneficiaries for them to sign this.
But you prepared this document.
Yeah, this one.
Yes.
Yeah.
In fact, it's not 2 days ago, it's 1 day.
Yeah, one day. 24th and 25th. Yeah.
How would you miss that as an accounts clerk, not to know that this is being duplicated within 1 day, within 24
Yeah.
hours?
We didn't communicate. It's a lack of communication.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Now, before I hand you over to council, I beg to disagree on the fact that these PV numbers are generated by the system. These two PV numbers that we have highlighted, that Honorable Joyner has asked you to calculate, are not the PV numbers that are generated by the IFMIS system. Is that correct?
Which one? This one?
These two that was mentioned to you.
It is.
It
It is
not.
generated.
Now, let me refer you, after the date in the document, can you read the second line?
Where?
On the same document, the one dated the 25th of March.
Okay.
Read the second line. What is
21st
that?
of March, huh?
Yes. After the date, which says Thursday, 25th, March 25th, 2021. What is the next line?
Is it June 2021 or March?
Date, Thursday, March 25th, 2021.
The one that you prepared.
The one I prepare, okay.
Yes. Read the second line and tell us what that means.
Which second line? Being payment of councillors' allowances, or?
Mr. Sedikan,
Mm-hmm.
I said you read the second line after the date. What is it?
Is it on the payment voucher or
Yes,
my?
on the pay details. After the date, read the second line. What is it? Can you see it anymore?
After the date. The PV 2021.
Huh?
The PV
Yes.
2021.
No, read the full sentence. What is it? What is it talking about?
Being payment of councillors' allowances for the month of March, as per attached.
No. Are you joking with the
No,
commission?
Maybe. Can you please help me? Can
After
you-
the date, what is the next line? What is the next line after the date?
The date is here. This is the date. Yeah. Councillor.
Come, let me show you. He is acting
Show me.
crazy.
No, no,
He
I'm
is
not-
acting crazy. Go
No.
and show him this. Go.
Yeah.
What is that?
That's what I'm saying, PV 2021.
No, read the full sentence. Read it fully.
Okay, PV, voucher number,
Yes.
PV
Yes.
2021
Yes.
slash
Yes.
3589.
What is that?
Yeah, it's a voucher number.
What
It's the PV number.
is the PV number?
Yeah.
This is what is generated by the IFMIS system.
No,
is
no,
it
no.
correct?
No.
No, listen, answer my question. If it is not correct, you tell me.
I'm coming.
Wait. Is this what is generated by the IFMIS system?
Okay. No.
No?
It is generated by.
Wait. Is this the voucher number generated by the IFMIS system?
No.
Okay, now explain.
Okay. This voucher number,
Yes.
the one I read right now.
Yes, the one you read right now.
Yeah, it's
That
generated.
is voucher number
Okay.
PV/2021.
Okay.
3589.
Okay.
Yes.
That one is generated by the metric system.
Uh-huh.
The metric system.
Yes.
We have been using the metric system before the IFMI system
Now,
comes.
before you go into the grammatical expression of what you are saying, now, is it possible for one voucher to have two PV numbers?
Yeah.
Answer my question. Is it possible in accounting terms, one voucher to have two PV numbers?
No.
Okay, now you can explain what you are explaining.
Okay. Can you please help me to see this one? We are running two systems at the same time. This one is the IFMI system. This one is the IFMI system.
Yes.
This PV number, BAC PV 2100630, that one is generated from the IFMIS. This one is generated from the matrix.
It's not possible. And we will get the IFMIS
Yeah.
guy
Yes.
from the Minister of Finance
Yes.
to come here
Yeah.
on Monday.
Okay, no problem.
Because this 1630 is handwritten.
Yeah.
And it's not possible. If it is the IFMIS system, it will automatically give you
No, it's here.
a PV number.
It's here. You can see it.
Where?
Come, can you please help us?
Yes, show me. Mr. Sedika,
Yes.
please, the document I am referring to is not the document you are referring to. This is a different document. Go back to the document that you signed. All right? Take this.
They are the same. Just check it properly, Ma.
It's not
They are the same.
It's not the same.
Okay, let me check.
It's not the same. The one you signed,
Yeah.
you used a pen to write the PV number,
Yes.
which is 1630.
Yeah.
The pay details, as provided for in the printout, has given you the date, the voucher number generated by the system, and to whom this payment is going to be made, and the address. The pay mode, you said, is check. The bank is not written. The check number is, you said, is not available. The voucher amount you have put in, that is $30,021.92. Then the description you said is being payment of councillor's allowance for the month of March as per attached.
Yeah.
Right? And
Yes.
you wrote the amount in words, etc. It went on to give you the details and etc.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Now, do you want to tell me that the one you are referring me to, is it generated by the same system you are using? Because I have already asked you that whether in one transaction you can generate two PV numbers.
I said
And you have answered no.
no, but we,
So why, in this circumstance, do you have a voucher that has 2 PV numbers?
yeah, because we are
Can you
running,
give him your
we are running 2 systems at the same time. That's why.
You are running 2 systems.
Yeah, that is the IFMI system, and
Council. Now, before even I go back to council, why would you run 2 systems?
this IFMI system is given to us by the Ministry of Finance.
It's given to you by
Yeah.
the Minister of Finance.
It's given to us by the Ministry of Finance.
Yes, and you do not want to use it.
No, we are using it.
Yes.
But the problem is that the network system in Brikama is not that much good.
So you have to.
So it's a problem. So we are running them.
You're
Yeah,
running
we
a
are
parallel system.
yeah, we are running them both.
You are
Is
running the 2.
Yeah, the 2.
But then
The
if
internet
you-
system. The internet system is not good in Brikama. That's why we are doing that.
You said what?
The internet.
The internet.
Yeah, the internet. Because the IFMIS, without the internet, you cannot go. So it's a problem. Yeah.
So as big as Brikama Area Council is, they cannot pay for their internet to run the system?
No, we do normally.
Sorry?
We do normally pay, but the internet, the system there, the internet,
Yes.
is not that much strong there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But why would you go to your provider to supply you with a good internet system?
Yeah, we should do that. Yeah, right.
Right?
Yeah.
Why? Now I'm asking you a question. So how do you do your reconciliation? Half running the IFMIS system and half running a parallel system, which is a matrix. How do you do your reconciliation?
Yeah, I don't do reconciliations.
You don't?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Council?
Now, Mr. Sirikat,
Yes.
you were explaining that the voucher that was raised, there were no payments made.
Yeah.
Now, was this a transaction cancelled at some point?
In the system, or?
Yes.
I don't think so.
Why is that?
I saw this here when I came to the investigation room. That's where I saw it.
You should not see it here. You should have.
That's where I saw it.
You should have an expenditure control system.
Yeah.
That's what the law says, where you will capture all these transactions.
Yeah.
And there's a possibility of reversal. Is that not the case?
Yes.
Is that not the case, sir?
Yes, it's okay.
So, of course, the first voucher, it says pay to councillors, correct?
Yes.
When was it raised? What was the date?
25th.
Of March,
yeah.
2021. How about the second one raised by the accounts clerk?
20.
Kajatu?
No, Aisha.
Aisha? When was that?
24th.
24th?
Yeah.
March.
Yeah, March.
So she raised the voucher before you.
Yeah.
Now let's examine the voucher that she raised. Are we there? Are we
Yeah.
together?
Yes.
To start with, the signature of the head of accounts is absent,
Yeah.
and her signature is absent as well.
Yes.
Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Now, but we know the amount is $30,021 is 92 truths.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
If you turn to the other page regarding the pay details and the account details, you will see it is prepared by accounts clerk.
Yeah.
It has the internal audit clearance, which suggests that it was cleared.
Yes.
Is that accurate, sir?
Yes.
So the accounts clerk signed and the internal auditor signed.
Yes.
Did the vote controller sign, the CEO?
No.
Did the director of finance sign?
No.
How about the recipient? They didn't sign the voucher.
No, here the recipient number, they will not sign because they are 4 in number, so all of them cannot sign here.
All of them cannot sign.
Yeah, here. So they don't normally sign. If at all,
Now
it's,
the
it's one person.
That's fine. The paying out cashier
Yeah, the paying out cashier doesn't sign.
did not sign.
Yeah.
But we have a payroll that is attached.
Mm-hmm.
But we don't have a requisition, do we? We don't have a requisition, do we?
Yeah.
We don't have a requisition. Do you know what a requisition is?
Yeah, no, there is no requisition when it comes to these allowances and stuff.
Why? Should there be one?
I have never witnessed that.
But should there be one?
Since I started working
No,
there.
no, should there be one? There must be a requisition. The voucher should be accompanied by a requisition. Is that not the case?
That one I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah,
How
because
comes?
when I came there, I found that they are using this system.
Yes.
Yeah. If this is print from the payroll, you just raise the voucher and attach it there.
Now, was the
That's
payment done in cash or through check or bank transfer?
This is cash.
It's cash.
Yeah.
So there will have to be a clear requisition. But then apparently, we know these are supposed to be councillors.
Yeah.
Why do we have just 4? Is it 5 of them?
It's 4.
Why 4?
These 4 councillors.
Yes.
These 4 councillors normally receive their allowances on the pay table.
Normally.
Yeah.
They don't have bank accounts.
Actually, I don't know that, but they
You
normally have.
were the senior accounts clerk.
No,
You
I-
prepare salaries and allowances. You must know.
No, I don't know whether they have
that
account.
receive their allowance or their salary through the bank, and the ones that would have to be paid in cash. You should know.
No, I don't know whether they have bank accounts.
Mr. Sedika,
that's
you
what I'm.
have to know. It's not an option. You don't have a choice. You must know. That is the point I'm trying to tell you.
Okay, okay.
Don't just say, okay. We have a discussion. You have to know that you must have all these details. Do you see my point?
Yes.
So if you're saying you don't know, it's a problem. Now Mr. Secretary, I will refer you to the financial manual as well. Page 29, section 503, which states procedure for payment and expenditure. I'm not sure. Is there a copy of the financial manual that you can hand over to the minister? Do you have one with you? Turn to page 29. You will see the heading, preparation or procedure for payment and expenditure.
Yes.
If you're there, you tell me. Are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Good. Now, let's start with that. It's important to start with that because all other payments will have to follow the same process.
Yes.
There is a column for the payment of council monthly and sitting allowance, but to understand that, you have to understand how this works. It says under sub 2, payment of salaries and wages. It says salaries and wages of the employees of the council should be prepared monthly by the designated accounts clerk by the 20th of each month. Do you understand?
Yes.
Of each month.
Yeah.
Using the council's payroll, the payroll should contain the following: the name of the officer or employee, position and grade, staff employment number, monthly basic salary, allowance, gross emoluments, and tax deductions. But you have prepared this way after the 20th, correct?
Yes.
Why is that? Is there any reason?
I never knew that we should prepare this by the 20th.
You don't know
This
anything.
is my first time hearing it.
You have never read this.
Yeah, no.
You have never read the financial manual.
No.
How do you do your job then?
I have never even seen this financial manual.
How do you do your job then? Let me see your letter, your appointment. How are you performing your functions? I'm asking you, how are you performing your functions?
I just follow instructions
From
my boss.
Mr. I like your honesty, to be honest. It gives the commissioners really an insight, a very clear picture of how the area council was being run. And it's a very serious thing because for you, the senior accounts clerk, if all you do is follow instructions and disregard the law because you don't really know even if it exists, it's serious. But you cannot be excused.
Yeah.
That is the sad part. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You cannot be excused. It says in your letter, offer of appointment as accounts clerk. You are hereby given an appointment for the position of an accounts clerk with effect from Monday, 3rd September 2012. Do you follow?
Yes.
That you will be paid a salary of grade 4.1 of new integrated pay scale, that is $1,191, with transport allowance of $500. The director of finance will be your immediate supervisor. He didn't say boss here, supervisor. And most, you see, even the way they write their letters, must not be disrespected. Who writes this in the letter? Accordingly, you are to adhere to the general orders, the GO, and financial instructions and new laws of the Gambia. Please put in writing if you accept this offer or otherwise. Now, it's written to you by the Brikama Area Council. In fact, this is one of the reasons why they indoctrinate you guys, to show you must really have respect. No one writes this. It doesn't make sense. No wonder you think respecting your supervisors means to just follow their instructions. But it says here clearly, in addition to all those inadequate instructions, that you must familiarize yourself with the relevant laws.
Yeah.
Why did you not? You went to school.
Yeah.
So why did you not? What did you study in school? What did you study in school?
Study accounting.
No, I know, but I'm just saying where you taught. Because you know you should really familiarize yourself with the relevant laws in accordance with your profession, Mr. Sidikan.
Yeah.
Do you understand that?
Yes,
now,
I do.
the list goes on. That the allowances are shown in analysis column for transport, residential allowance, responsibilities, professional, and other. That the salary reductions, it went on. Now, receipt vouchers in duplicate should be prepared for all deductions made, namely income tax, loans, and advances. Salary calculations. Now, the salary payment vouchers shall be prepared for this net salary payable to the employee with the monthly payroll. The bank schedules should be prepared for employees who receive their salaries through bank accounts. You must have a cash schedule for employees who receive their salaries in cash. That the schedule should contain column for employees' signature. Do you have that cash schedule as the senior accounts clerk?
No.
You don't have that.
I think that this is the cash schedule.
What is the cash schedule?
This one.
That is the that is the payroll. That's not the cash schedule. You have to have a bank schedule. You have to have a cash schedule. You have to have records of the individuals that are paid in cash and the ones that are paid through the bank.
I don't have that.
Why? Why is that? So we don't know who is paid in cash. We don't know who is paid through the bank. I'm asking you. It says the salary payment voucher, bank schedules, and cash schedules are then checked and passed by the payroll clerk. Who's the payroll clerk?
Aisha is doing that. Aisha.
Is doing that.
Yeah.
It doesn't
Aisha.
sound as if he is the authorized payroll clerk.
Yeah, she is authorized.
She is the authorized payroll clerk.
Yeah.
And confirmed by the senior accounts clerk. So whatever Aisha does should be confirmed by you. And submitted to then you must submit it to the internal auditor for pre-payment auditing. Now, did you confirm all these payments?
No.
Why? You see, if we turn to the council monthly and city allowance, it says monthly and city allowance for the council members and its committees shall be prepared separately at the end of each month. Have you done that?
No.
No. So you just pick 4 people, they sign a payroll, $30,000 or more, and then they are paid. No proper accounting system done. It says the attendance register duly signed by a council member shall serve as the basis for preparing the sitting allowance. Where is the attendance register?
I have no attendance
But
register.
it should guide you. For them to be entitled to payment, it should be the guiding, one of the guiding documents. Where is the attendance register? How do you know that they have been attending council's meetings? I am asking you.
Those who normally attend meetings.
You see, Mr. Sedikan, why it is sad when we speak so basic of what you should do, and you don't have any idea of what your job is unless you follow instructions, is because more than anything else, and different from those who do not have your level of education, even though it is not very high, but it probably is sufficient enough, is that it is an embarrassment. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
It is an embarrassment. And you must be told. But it being an embarrassment as well, in addition to that, is that most of the things you are doing is a clear violation of the law. Do you get that? It says the attendance register duly signed by the council members shall serve as the basis for preparing these sitting allowances. So where is your preparation for the sitting allowance for the month of March 2021? Where is that allowance preparation?
I have no.
You must produce it for anyone to know whether these 4 that received these monies were lawful and transactions. You must show us where the preparation of these allowances are. And whatever I tell you, the same with the Director of Finance will have to come. But you have not prepared any sitting allowance for this month. Why these 4 people? If they receive it in cash, how many of them are paid in the bank? You must give us the sitting allowance preparation you have prepared for the month of May 2021.
Okay.
And you did not have it.
It's March, Council, March.
March, sorry.
Yeah.
And you don't have it.
Until and unless I ask.
Increase your voice. It was not prepared.
The bank.
You did not prepare the sitting allowance
for the bank
register.
For the bank.
Both the people paid to the bank and the ones that paid over the counter, if you want to call it, in cash.
No.
Now it says the rate of the sitting allowance shall be determined by each council subject to the approval. We will get that one we will take up with others. Now, Mr. Is it Sedikan?
Yes.
Let's talk about the issue of the reversal.
Yes, before you go to the reversal, Council,
Yes.
before you go to the reversal, the copy you told me, Mr. Sedikan, that is the one generated by your metric system.
Yeah.
You have told us that the payment was in cash,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And you have access to produce this document, right?
Yes.
Now, go back to that document that you referred me earlier and see in the box what did you indicate, whether it is a check or is cash that you indicated.
Which one?
The one you referred me to.
The IFMIS
of
one?
being the same, the one generated by the metric system, as you said.
The one generated by the matrix
Yes.
is PV2021-3589.
No. The 1630. That's what you referred
Yes.
me to.
Yes.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
What did it say? Payment method?
The
In
payment
box?
method is check.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you have told us you paid by cash.
Yes.
And you generated this.
Yeah.
So is it in contravention of your own PV that you generated?
Okay. Let me come. When we were trained by this Ministry of Finance guys.
No, don't go to Ministry of Finance,
No.
because this is not
Yeah,
no, wait. Let me clear that. This is not an IFMIS generated PV. This is the metrics generated PV.
We are
that
talking
you
about.
said you are
Yeah.
running parallel with.
Yes.
Is that not the case?
Yeah, I'm talking about this IFMIS one.
The what?
The IFMIS one, I'm talking about
No,
that.
no, I'm not talking about the IFMIS one. I'm talking about the metrics generated one,
Yeah.
where you are right now.
Okay.
You have already told me. That is why I asked you.
Okay.
I said, what is contained in what is the payment method? You have told me check, which is correct. That is what I found in that document. Is that not correct?
In this one?
Yes.
Yes, this check.
Yes. So I am saying,
Yeah.
why is it that the paper you generated, that is the metric system, because you said the IFMIS, you have difficulty in the internet
Yeah,
issue.
the internet issue.
When you want to prepare your vouchers, there is no internet, you resort to the metric system. But your own metric system is telling you, you pay by check. But you have told us earlier, you paid by cash. Why?
No, this
No,
metric,
just go straight to the question and
this
answer.
metric system.
Why?
We pay by cash. This is cash. It's a cash schedule. You can
Yes,
see
so
it.
but
It's a
here
cash
in
schedule.
your metrics document, in your this PV, you said payment method is check. Is that not what you said?
Yes.
So which is which?
Yeah, it's a mistake. It should be cash.
Council, you may proceed.
Yeah.
I think this is a convenient point. It's after 4.
All right.
We'll continue with you, Mr. Sedikan, tomorrow morning.
Okay.
You may rise.
Thank you.